morning, everybody. Adon from Volition Components. Here to tell you a little bit about this fun project that we have going. We have this Sprinter 144 chassis from Mercedes-Benz of Littleton. This customer got the van, bought it in a short period of time, gave us about 48 hours to get a project completed on it. Let me walk you around and show you all the things that we're doing in it. One of the first big parts that we're going to be doing is a rear bumper from backwoods going right on the back of the van. We have an AM auto slider window that we're going to be doing on the driver's side of the vehicle. So here we have an AMF Bruns flooring system. Right over there on the other side of the shop, we have 7 seats that are going to be going in this van so he can take his friends out on expeditions. All these various boxes are from Backwoods also. It's going to be all the lighting system. We have an sPOD to control all of his lights. This unit's going to be touchscreen, side access ladder, and a roof rack. And just in case the expeditions get a little bit crazy, we got a Backwoods front bumper with a worn winch, cradle, got some shackles going in this thing. So if he does any off-roading and gets stuck, he'll be ready. Oh, hey guys, so we're all done with this van, getting ready to ship it out. So it's on its way to Nantucket for a little vacation before it comes back to us for some more work. So we got the seat swivels in, the AMF Bruns seats in, AMF Bruns floor. We ended up doing a little bit more modification to this thing. It's got the Agile Off-Road RIP kit on it, which gave it about a 2-inch lift. It's got BF Goodrich KO2 tires, Black Rhino beadlock wheels. We have the Backwoods bumper with some rigid rear lights. You'll notice all of the factory sensors are retained. Got a Backwoods side access ladder, Backwoods roof rack, AM auto slider window so the passengers in the back can get some fresh air while they're traveling around. Of course, some compliments of Volition Components. And on the front, Fox struts up front with some coilovers, and even have some dust covers for those. For all the lights out front and out back, we actually installed the sPOD touchscreen control. It's got 8 circuits, makes everything easy to operate, a lot less switches on the dash. So on the front of the van, also have the Backwoods front bumper with bull bar, Pathfinder lights, worn winch, got the hooks, lights, and you notice even a light bar on top. Thanks guys, we look forward to the next one.